Hello students of Standard 8. In Geography you are learning about the atmosphere. Today I am going to explain chapter 13, the atmosphere part 4, in which you are going to learn about the greenhouse effect and global warming. What happens in the greenhouse effect? The gases which are the greenhouse or the greenhouse gases which affect the atmosphere and increase the temperature, known as greenhouse effect. So, this is a phenomenon in which the atmosphere near the Earth's surface is heated up due to the trapping of infrared rays by carbon dioxide and water vapor in the atmosphere, and this is called the greenhouse effect. What happens during the day? Due to the presence of water vapor and carbon dioxide, the rays of the sun can reach the surface of the earth. But the radiated heat which is radiated by the earth, known as terrestrial radiation, is trapped by the water vapor and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and that increases temperature of the atmosphere, known as greenhouse effect. So, the greenhouse gases which are found in the atmosphere, they are water vapor, carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, which is known as CFCs, and methane and nitrogen oxide. So these gases trap heat in the atmosphere and increase temperature, and the temperature is increasing day by day in the world's temperature. If we see, that is increasing day by day due to these gases, and that is the main cause of global warming. So, what do you mean by the global warming? The average temperature of the world, or the average temperature in the atmosphere in the global level, which is increasing day by day, known as global warming. So, if there is continuous increase in all these greenhouse gases, the temperature will increase day by day, and that will affect the environment, that will affect the living beings adversely. So, if we see its adverse effects, first of all we should think about the ice cap region. If the global temperature will increase day by day, first of all the ice cap region, polar region, Antarctica, and high mountainous regions, which are the ice capped regions, will start melting. If the ice capped areas will melt, that will increase the water level in the ocean. And if the water level in the ocean will increase, a large number of islands, small islands in the large water bodies like Pacific Ocean or Indian Ocean or Atlantic Ocean, they may submerge in water. So, the beauty of the earth may destroy it or can be destroyed. So, melting of water will increase the number of glaciers, that will increase all of a sudden the volume of air in the river, and that may cause flood. Also, due to this global warming, 90% of coral reef are already damaged in Indian Ocean, and the coral reefs are the areas where varieties of species of aquatic life can be found. They are also being affected, and that is the destruction due to the increasing of global temperature. Due to this global warming, there is also destruction, there will be destruction in the nature. that will affect all the living beings. The plant life, the animal life, and the human life. The global temperature which is increasing, that will affect, and sometimes that may be the cause of death also. So we should think about its effect, what may happen some days. It is not far when we could see what may happen in near future. If there will be continuous increase the air pollution or water pollution or any kind of pollution, and all these greenhouse gases are increasing day by day, that will destroy this beautiful planet, our earth. So it is each and everyone's duty to control this pollution, to control these greenhouse gases. We use refrigerator, AC, all these are releasing chlorofluorocarbons. Carbon dioxide released by many industries. Toxic gases are also released by the vehicles running every day, millions of vehicles, burning of fossil fuel, also releasing lot of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, all toxic gases. So all these are increasing this greenhouse effect or the temperature in the global level. We should reduce this. How can we reduce? We should plant more and more trees. Plantation will be encouraged by the people, and the greenery part of the world should be increased, which is already destroyed due to the urbanization and industrialization. So it is our duty to control this increasing of all these greenhouse gases, mainly the carbon dioxide. And we can reduce by avoiding of these uses of fossil fuel, or in the industries, chimneys should not release gas, that should be underground. So at least air pollution will be decreased. And the easiest method which I mentioned, if we cut trees, we should plant more and more trees. If we are cutting one tree, we should plant 2 trees. We should avoid the destruction of plants. Deforestation should be banned so that people will think about it. Plantation is encouraged because that absorbs much carbon dioxide and that can reduce this greenhouse gas. So let us do some work to reduce this greenhouse gases so that we will decrease the pollution. We should decrease the global temperature which is increasing. Thank you.